Hey everyone, this is Tikram Sari, and in today's video I'm going to unbox a wardrobe organizer which I purchased from Amazon, and I will talk about the quality and price of the product. So without any delay, let's open and assemble it, and after that I will show you the actual product, and we will talk about the quality of the product. So let's go. So guys, these are premium hangers which I purchased separately from this organizer, as you don't get the hangers with this, and you can have a look at it. The quality is really nice, you can see. So now we are going to hang some jackets with it, so let's go. So guys, let's talk about the quality of the product. The quality of the product is really good, not excellent, not bad, it's good, okay. And when we talk about stability of the product, this is quite stable, and I want to clear that these both jackets are really heavy and still this is not going anywhere. So but I thought when I was purchasing it, I thought it will come with more strong material, but it's okay. And I got it for 1299 from Amazon, and if you want to purchase it, I will put the link in description. You can purchase it from there. And I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, make sure to like and comment on the video, and for the future videos please subscribe our channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.